Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, I'm gonna navigate into the settings. For the people that might be interested in watching this is basically continuation after the factory or bypass of Google verification. So that's why I don't have the buttons right here. But anyway, so from the settings, we're gonna navigate to System, or Reset Options, Erase All Data. It tells me that it's gonna remove everything right here that is listed, along with my Google accounts that are signed in on this device. Now the thing that you should worry about is things like the music, photos, user data. If you keep any of these of this kind of data locally on the device, you might want to create a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and this cannot be undone. Now, I don't have anything here that I want to preserve, so I'm going to jump straight to Erase All Data and do that once again, which will begin factory resetting my phone. Now, this will take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, I'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.